Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your chats on WhatsApp application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, let's get back to the video. To back up your chats on WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp application. It will display the message or chat section as soon as you open your WhatsApp application. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings option. Setting page of WhatsApp will appear on the screen. Now, click on Chats. On the bottom of the page, tap on Chat Backup. Now, on the next page, click on Backup option. This is how you can back up your chats on WhatsApp application. I hope you liked the video. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.